lambs, welcome back to my channel. So today is, oh my gosh, I am so excited about this video. As you can see, we are kicking off our Christmas decorating series in our family room with dancing and laughs and just so much fun, y'all. This was the most fun that I've had planning or doing a video for Christmas ever. I just had so much fun with my kiddos. Oh my goodness, they wanted to kind of help me out this year, and they wanted to be a part of all the festivities that's taking place. So Kayla is helping me decorating the tree in the family room, and we just had so much fun. So I am just basically just going to let the music play. I'll pop in here and there, but I'll just let the music play. Get up and dance with us, help us decorate, you guys, and just let's have some fun because I am ready for some Christmas cheer. And if you are ready for some Christmas cheer, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So I am just showing Kayla how to add these ribbons to the tree. She's never really helped me decorate a tree, so this is like her first time really wanting to do it, and I'm kind of just showing her how to just, you know, put the ribbons with the branches and tie the branches around the ribbons just to kind of make those loops on the trees, and she caught it really quickly, and she did such a fabulous job. I am so proud of her.
In my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses of one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his praise. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together two Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe knows my name, but that we will remedy right here by the Christmas tree is where I'll hold my breath. But he won't know what hit him, see me standing there. The world will disappear and he will man up. So let this mistletoe moment together to Christmas hearts.
So this is what the tree looks like at this point in time with all the ribbons on them, and I have different styles and colors and textures and everything. Most of you know that I'm using like a tartan plaid and stripes type of theme this year, and I got these branches from the Dollar General for $3 a piece, and guys, it just added to my tree so nicely. I love the texture and the whimsy that it adds to the tree, and I just love the way that this tree turned out this year. It's probably my favorite so far out of all the trees that I have, and I have about 8 of them. But this is my second one so far that I have decorated, and I am in love with this tree. It's just so family oriented, and it has all of our family ornaments on there. Some of my DIY ornaments that I did in July for the Christmas in July series, and I just really love the way that this tree turned out. So let me know, you guys, in the comment if you are dancing with us, if you like the tree so far, and what your Christmas theme is going to be this year. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm having way too much fun. This is like so much fun. My daughter was actually filming me for her TikTok. And I am just having so much fun. This was such a fun video to make for you guys, and like everything you see is not just for the camera. Like, I really was having so much fun and just dancing. We had our Christmas music playlist up on the television, and the music was loud, and we were all dancing. You can't really see behind the camera, but you're gonna see even Nyla Beezy got into it. And she tapped her feet a little bit. And we just were having so much fun. I mean, we laughed and laughed and laughed, and I am so glad that I got this on video, because it's just memories that we are going to have for years to come.
Angel choir singing on this Christmas night. They are singing for you and me this Christmas night.
So guys, if you are new here to my channel, I would love for you to join us. Consider subscribing to all the madness. My name is Shushana, by the way, and I do have 2 channels here on YouTube. This channel is my main channel, and it's my home decor and DIY channel. I do a lot of seasonal decor, home decor, and DIYs here, and I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I do have a second channel, and it is my cleaning queen channel. I do a lot of cleaning, and yes, what I'm about to show you is a fork that I found in the Christmas tree. And I do a lot of cleaning motivations over there, decluttering and organizing. So I upload every Saturdays at 10 a.m. Actually, I just had a video that went live, so if you're interested in that, I will link it down below for you guys so you can go watch. It's a Christmas clean with me. And so we just have tons of fun. So I would love for you guys to join our family here on YouTube by subscribing, and don't forget to double tap that bell, because it's very important that you double tap it so you you get all of our notifications of our videos that we do upload. So thank you guys so much in advance, and let's get back to all the fun. I hope y'all comment down below and let me know if you guys are dancing with us, because we are having a blast.
This Christmas is mine and yours.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses of one special.
So this is my son, Mikey. He didn't even know that I was filming. You'll see when he actually found out that I was filming. But I just wanted to grab him for a little dance, because he's normally in his room doing his work and on his video games and stuff. So when we are able to get him out of the room and down, you see here, he just found out I was filming him. We just like to just have some fun with him. So just grabbing him up and dancing with him, and I had to coerce him and tell him, you need to hug your mama and then give your mama a big hug and dance with your mama. But we had so much fun. So this is the tree, you guys. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, doesn't it look so gorgeous? I just love the blues this year. I love how traditional it is, but it still have like a little bit of farmhouse going on, a little bit of bling. Just love the way that this tree turned out. Let me know down in the comment if you guys are loving this tree so far, and what is your favorite thing about this tree. If you enjoy this video, guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also share it. I would love for you to go ahead and do that. And don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe, because it is always free. I hope you guys are enjoying my Home for the Holidays Christmas series. And if you are, let me know down in the comment if you are enjoying the series, and if you are excited about Christmas and what your Christmas theme is for this year. And also let me know how many trees you are decorating in your home. I have 8. So stay tuned for the next episode, and I will see you guys soon. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.